Today, you will learn how to add a long line in Word in the easiest way possible. The easiest method is to use your keyboard. First, place your cursor where you want the line to appear. Then, press and hold the underscore key on your keyboard. Just keep typing underscores like this, and Word will create a long, straight line across the page. This is a quick and simple trick. If the line becomes too long, that is normal. Just stop typing when it reaches the length you want. Another very useful method is to use the border line option in Word. This is perfect when you want a clean and professional-looking line. First, type a line of text if needed, and then press Enter. After that, type 3 hyphens in a row and press Enter again. Word will automatically turn those hyphens into a horizontal line. You can also try 3 equal signs or 3 underscores, depending on the style of line you want. If you want the line to appear under a specific word or sentence, you can also use the underline option. Select the text, then click the underline button on the toolbar, or press Ctrl+U on your keyboard. This will make a line appear directly under the text. Underlining text connects the line to the letters, while a long horizontal line can stand alone on the page. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.